and the syllabus is fractions. Okay, don't confuse with this.
Ma'am, cross multiplication.
So this is your compare the following fraction. Okay, now how do we compare? When two fractions are given, then you compare by cross multiplication. Okay, so to remind you, I'll do one or two questions so that you remember it.
Ma'am, can I do 80 into 1 is 80 and then 60 to the...
How much?
120.
120.
120. So which one is greater?
120. Ma'am, 60 and 80. 60 by 80.
So like this, you have to put the sign. Okay. So better you multiply and write near the numerator, the product. Okay. So that
Ma'am, if you do it to lowest form, so 60 upon 80 is 1 by 3 and this is 1 by 2.
Not 1 by 3. This will be 3 by 4. Okay. Okay, next one. Ibrahim, next one. 21 into 50 and 36 into 4. How much?
Ma'am, let me multiply 1 minute.
Yes.
Ma'am, I just came and I want to ask a question.
Yeah, tell
ma'am, we have to multiply 21 by 50, 25 and 50 and 4 and 36.
Correct. And you will write it over here. 36
Okay.
and 4, you will write here. 50 and 21, you will write here. Whichever is greater will be greater. That fraction will be greater. Okay.
Ma'am, 36 into 4 is 140.
140?
144.
Okay. And what is 50?
144.
50 into 21?
1050.
1050. Okay. Which one is greater?
105. 21 upon 36.
So 21 upon 36 is greater than 4 by 50. Okay. Juveria, can you do question number 3?
I'll just multiply.
Multiply and give me the answer. What are you multiplying first?
16 and 50.
Okay.
We have to write in this book. We have to write this.
You can continue doing it. Those who are faster in doing sums can continue with 4, 5, 6. Do it. And when I ask you question, answer, give me the answer.
Ma'am, 16 and 50 is 5300.
Saturday, is it all right? Saturday, 12 o'clock.
White size, how much?
5300. I got it.
Multiply again.
710, ma'am.
900.
16 5
16 by 20.
16 5 is?
800.
Yes. 16 into 50 is 800. So I will write here near the numerator, and 8 into 2 is 16. So 160. Okay. Check your multiplication, Juveria. 16 into 50 you have to do. Okay. So 16 into 50.
Ma'am, if we want to do like 20 to 8 to find the answer, we have to do division or multiplication.
You have to multiply.
Ma'am, 20 into 8 is 160. Ma'am, 20 into 8 is 160.
Yes. Now tell me, Juveria, which fraction is greater? 16 by 20 or 8 by 50?
1 4 4 3 5.
Ma'am, 800.
8 upon 50.
No, 160 is smaller than 800, na?
Yes.
So 16 by 20 will be greater number. Okay.
Okay.
Is it clear? Whichever
Yes.
side numerator is greater, that side will be
Because,
greater. Okay.
because 16.
Yes.
Okay, Umar.
Ma'am, because 16 into 50.
Ma'am, 4 multiplied by 36 is 124. No, ma'am.
There is 4 and 36. Yeah, this question.
Ma'am, it is 124.
Ma'am, 3 by 5 is the greatest.
No, it is 144. Okay, Umar, give me this answer. See, Aisha, multiply properly, na?
Ma'am, I wrote 36 up and multiplied by 4. So
Ah.
6
Ma'am,
fours
5
are...
into 3 is 15 and 4 into 1 is
Ma'am,
4.
then 6 fours
3
are...
by 4 is greater.
Ma'am, 6 fours
3
are...
by 4 is
20
greater.
Ma'am, 6 fours are 24 and then 4 threes are 12. So I
Next
wrote...
one, Rashda, fifth answer.
Ma'am, 6 fours are 24 and
Yeah,
ma'am,
multiply.
and
What is
ma'am,
it?
6 fours are...
Aisha, Aga,
Ma'am,
what is it?
10 into Ma'am, 10 into 18 is 180.
Ibrahim,
Into
let
18.
Rashda answer. Yes, Rashda.
180. 10 into
180,
18
where
is
should I
180.
write? 180, right side or left side?
Right side.
Okay. 180. Okay. Then
9 by 72. 9 by
9 into 72. How much it is? You have to multiply.
648.
Tell me, Rashda.
Ma'am.
9 to the 18. Ma'am, 648.
Is it? All of you are getting 648?
Yeah.
72 into 9.
ये बोला ना ऐसा ही है.
So it is 648. Which one is greater, Rashda? 9 by 10 or 18 by 72?
9 by 10.
Yeah, 9 by 10. Okay, Hamdan. 522 by 600 and 4 by 6. Which one is greater? First cross multiply and give me the products.
600 into 4 is 2400.
Yes?
And
Ma'am,
6
can I
into
tell the
522
next one?
is 3132. So
Be ready with
522
this answer,
and
Julia.
600 is greater.
No, tell me 522 into 6 is how much?
3132.
Ma'am, we have to multiply to find the answer or we have to divide?
You have to multiply. Answer using cross multiplication. So you are cross multiplying. Cross. Okay?
Yes, ma'am, but if we
Ma'am.
have to find
Ma'am, I am writing a
16
same
and ma'am, but if we have to find of 16 and 50, then we have to multiply on the paper or divide.
Multiply. Multiply now. I'm
Ma'am,
telling you 10.
12
Multiply, Aisha. 16 and 15.
Ma'am, I'm
multiply.
multiplying, but I'm getting wrong another
That
answer.
means you are not multiplying properly, Aisha. Multiply it and find out the answer.
Ma'am,
You will get 800. When you are multiplying, Aisha, you will write the answer this side towards the numerator side. When you are multiplying here, 20 into 8, you will write here. And see whichever side is greater will be greater. Okay? Juveri, are you ready with the answer?
yes.
7? Yeah, tell
2
me.
multiplied by 32 is 64 and 14 multiplied by 4 is 56. So 2 upon 4 is bigger.
Yes. Okay, Aisha Kazi. Question number 8. Do question number 8 and give me the...
joined late. I
joined
late.
Okay, Anas. Question number 8. Have you done question number 8, Anas?
No, ma'am.
Who has done question number 8 already? Anyone has completed?
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, give me the answer, Hamdan.
Ma'am, 16 into 22 is 352 and 36 into 14 is 504. So 14 upon 16 is greater.
Yes. Okay, Umar. 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. This is easy. Tell me.
It's very easy.
Tell me.
I give the answer, ma'am. You give easy one to Umar.
Let Ibrahim. Let him answer now. I cannot hear anything.
1, 2, 2.
So this side I'll write 3 and this side I'll write 2. Which one is greater?
1 by 2.
So 1 by 2 is greater. Okay.
How can it be greater? Because it just has.
Hamza, question number 10. And 11th question, Yahya will give me the answer. And 12th, Abdullah will give. So 11th,
Ma'am, can I give for the
First.
first question?
And 12th, 12th, Abdullah. Question number 10, Hamza.
I just joined in.
Hamza, who is answering?
Ma'am,
I didn't understand what do we have.
Ma'am, I just want to ask one thing, ma'am.
Yeah.
In 108 into 150, the numerator will be
यहाँ पे you will write.
we will the numerator will be above and we will multiply it by 150, or 150 will be above and we will multiply
It is
it by
easier to multiply 108 into 15 and then put a 0 in the end. Okay. It is easier to multiply ना, because 15 से multiply करना easy है. So multiply with 15 and put a 0 in the end. Okay. Yeah, Hamza. It is not clear to you, Hamza, how to find greater, smaller.
ma'am, can I ask you
Okay.
one question?
Everyone just be quiet. I'm explaining this question 10, and those who have still not understood, just pay attention. Okay. When you have to find in two fraction, you have to find greater and smaller. We find it using cross multiplying. Cross means like this, x. Okay. So, but where will you write the answer? 20 into 2, I will cross multiply and I'll write the answer near the numerator. Okay. So numerator is 2, multiply 20, cross denominator. Answer is 40. Now multiply 3 and 8. Numerator is 8. So 8 3 is 24. Now check which one is greater, 24 or 40. So 40 is greater. So your this side of fraction is greater. Is it clear, Hamza? So 2 by 3 is greater than 8 by 20. Now ask, who was asking something? Now tell me.
Ma'am, I was asking.
Yeah,
Aisha
tell.
Kazi.
Yes, Aisha.
Did you get my revision worksheet?
No, I didn't get. First one or second one?
First one.
Acha, first one I didn't see. Second one today I checked. So I'll see. Today I have already checked and sent.
Ma'am, can I tell of 11?
I'll have to.
And ma'am, I did not understand this. Compare the following fractions one.
Just now I explained.
Ma'am, I got the answer of the 11th one also.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
tell
can I
me.
tell?
Yeah.
600 multiplied by 2 equals to 1200, and 8 multiplied by 204 equals to 1632. So answer is 204 and 600.
So which one is greater? 204 by 600. Aisha Kazi, pay attention. You have to cross multiply and
can I
write the answer near it. Yes, Abdullah. Next one, next answer, Rashda, be ready. Question number 13. Question number 14, Muhammad Muhammadi. And question number 15, who will say? Umar will be ready. Okay, I'm writing the name Umar, and 14 is Muhammad Muhammadi. Okay, and 13 is Rashda. So write down your.
Can I say?
Yes, Abdullah.
9 by 36.
Ma'am, 108 into 150 is equal to 16,200. So we will add 108 upon 200. We will add this is 16,200. And 36 into 200 is equal to 7,200.
36 into
9 6 are 50.
200 is 7,200. Okay, and 108 into how much you did? 200.
150, ma'am.
Okay, sorry, 150. Yeah. So 108 into 150 is correct answer. So which one is greater, Abdullah?
108 upon 200.
Yeah, so this is greater. Okay, Rashda, are you ready with the answer? 16 into 30 is how much?
Ma'am, the fifth one,
You're not audible, Rashda.
and the sixth one.
Wait 2 minutes, Aisha Aga, please 2 minutes. Yeah, question number 13, let me do. 16 into 30, how much it is?
480.
Yes, 480. And 60 into 7 is how much?
320.
6 7 6
32. 420.
300.
Yes. So which one is greater? 480.
324.
See, Aisha Kazi, did you understand this? You cross multiply and write the product near the numerator, and whichever is greater, that side fraction is greater. Is it clear? That simple is it?
Shruti
Yes.
ma'am, the
Yes,
fifth
Aisha Aga.
one, the
Aisha
fifth,
Aga,
yes
tell me.
ma'am,
Tell me what was,
the fifth,
yeah, fifth one, this one. Tell me.
yes, 9 multiplied by 72 is 678.
48 or 78?
78.
No, 648. See, I have multiplied over here. Check it. Check your tables, huh? Unless
Ma'am, I have one question, ma'am.
yes,
that-
Abdul.
I didn't understand that when do we have to like what do we have in multiplication? Do we have to keep the numerator up or the denominator up? Like in the fifth question, you kept the denominator 72, which is the denominator. You kept it up, and the numerator you kept it down. And in mine, you told me to keep 150 below and 108 above.
Where? No,
Like
denominator will always be
multiplication.
the denominator. Just see this question. Maybe because it is mixed up. Notice this question. I'm doing it over here now on the white screen. See,
Ma'am, I was writing.
I'm giving the same question. Say that question only. What was the question, Abdullah?
Ma'am, I
Fifth
want
question.
sixth one.
Wait, what was the question? Fifth, 9 by 10 and 18 by 72, right? So 9 by 10, and now listen, those who have not understood, 18 by 72. Greater and smaller you have to do. So first you need to multiply this denominator with this numerator.
Ma'am,
And
10 multiplied by 18.
then you will write it over here. When you multiply this denominator with this numerator, beside the numerator, you will write the product. So what is it? If you multiply 10 into 18 is 180. Now, when you multiply 72 into 9, you will write again beside the numerator. You have to write beside the numerator, wherever numerator is there. So 72 into 9 is how much?
No, ma'am, not like that. Ma'am, I want to show you.
Okay, now you show me what you are asking.
Ma'am, comparing
see, ma'am.
fractions will come in exam.
Yes.
Ma'am, in mine,
Ah.
in my question, the numerator was 108.
Okay, I'm writing. 108 divided by 10.
And the denominator was 1, and I had to multiply it from 150.
Okay,
So,
so here
ma'am,
it was 150.
yes. So, ma'am, you so you told me to write numerator like this, and then in
You will write it over here. What was over
no,
here?
it is not like that. I'm selling this multiplication wala into 1/5,
Acha, multiplication you are telling.
and then in another sum you wrote the denominator, which was 72.
Okay,
Was
okay.
72.
Okay, I
And
understood
the
what you are
numerator,
telling.
which was
No,
9.
I understood. Listen, Abdullah. Multiplication and addition is commutative. So you can multiply 25 into 15 or 15 into 25. Okay. So you can write either 25 into 15, same answer you will get, or you can multiply 15 into 25, you will get same answer. So doesn't matter what you are writing on the top or what at the bottom. Only thing is what is easier, because 108 if you write at the bottom, it is 3-digit multiplication. So that is why I told to write a 108 into 50. So you get only 2 lines of multiplication. Is it clear, Abdullah? Is it clear? So anyway,
Yes,
you
thank
can
you.
do, because it was easier, because 15 ka table is easy to go. So you can एक chance में you can multiply. But 108 में क्या करना पड़ेगा? 108 में you will have to multiply पहले 8 से. So 8 5s are 40, 0 किया 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. फिर एक 0 किया 0, 0, 0. Then 1 से किया 0, 0. फिर 0, 5. 1. So like this you will do. तो इतना time लगा, right? And if you multiply 108 by 15, 15 8 जा कितना होता है? सीधा करो. 15 8 जा
15 8
120.
yes ma'am.
So 0 हो गया, carry 12 हो गया, 2. So you will write 15 zeros are 0 plus 12. 15 into 0 plus 12. So यहाँ पे you will write the same answer you should get over here also. And then 15 ones are 15 plus 1 16. Okay. So what did we get? 15 0 0 12 का 2 carry 1. 15 ones are
16,200.
हाँ. Okay, and 15 से किया था मैंने, एक और 0 है इस पे, so I'll put a 0 over here. So 16,200 यहाँ पे भी you will get the same thing. What is it? Same answer you are getting. So both the answers are same. Is it clear, Abdullah? चाहे तो multiply
Yes.
करो 108 into 15 or 15 into 108. But to make it easy, I told you कि write down 15 नीचे. क्योंकि 15 का टेबल एक बार में पढ़ के हो गया आंसर. ओके, और 5 और 1 दो बार में भी करोगे तो it will be easier to do. Is it clear? So that is why I told that. Okay, now coming to our questions now.
Ma'am, arranging one, ma'am.
So this we have already done. Enough. Muhammad Muhammadi, are you ready with the answer? Question 14.
Ma'am, 3.
All is done.
Ma'am, I finished all so much time ago.
Tell me, 3 into 6 is how much?
3 6 are 18.
Yes.
Come over here, and 12 2 are 24, and the 2 upon 6 is
Greater. Okay. I'm leaving the last one now. Last one, whom did I give? 15 किसको दिया था? Umar, are you ready with the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Yeah, this 15 by 24 is 360,
Okay.
and
36 into 9 is?
9 by 36 is 324. 302.
So you have to write with the numerator. Okay. So which one is greater? This one.
Ma'am, all done.
Okay. Now coming to the
Ma'am, I have a
question.
question.
Okay. Yes. Who is asking?
Why don't we write it by the denominator?
Why we don't write near the denominator? That is a shortcut method. Okay, the normal method is that you have to make the denominator same and then you have to find out the greater numerator. Okay, so when two fractions are given, this is a shortcut method to find out by cross multiplication. Okay, Rashna? Normally in arrangement, what do we do?
Can we do the arranging one?
See, what do we do in this type of question when they have asked, arrange the fractions in increasing order, okay? So 3, 2, 4 and 5, you will find the LCM and you will make the denominator equal to LCM, and accordingly what happens to the numerator, and then you will arrange it in the increasing order. Okay, so let us do this first and then we'll come to, let us do addition, subtraction.
Ma'am, in the worksheet which you gave, the first worksheet, the last question you gave the same, the plusing one, right? So
Two questions I gave same. Two questions were improper to mixed only I gave.
Ma'am, first we have to do minus.
You got all my worksheets, ma'am?
I checked all the worksheets. I have sent.
Ma'am, I want to ask one question.
Yes. Tell me.
Yes. In exam, if you will give us addition and subtraction of unlike denominators, so we have to convert it into
Same denominator.
simplest
by
form.
LCM. Answer in the end you find it in the simplest form. But first do the answer correctly. Okay, I'm showing you first question how will we do. Now 2, 8 and 6. So I have to find LCM of 2, 8 and 6 because I have to find the denominator same. So 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8 and 2 3s are 6. Now I don't have a common thing. So LCM is equal to 2 into 4 into 3 is actually 6 4s are 4 2s are 8 3s are 24. So my LCM is 24. So 2 ko I will multiply by 12 to make it 24. So 1 also I have to multiply by 12 with a minus sign. 8 into 3 is 24. Okay. All of you just pay attention over here. Don't write. See how I am doing. So 11 into 3 I'll do. And then you have 6. How many times is 24? 6.
Ma'am, you wrote plus sign, minus sign.
Pooja.
No, here it is plus sign. Second sign is plus. So 7 into 4. So next step is 1 into 12. So 12 by 24 minus 33 by 24. And then here you have 28 by 24. Okay. Now you have same denominators. So you will add first. Which two numbers you will add? This is plus and this is plus. So first do 28 plus 12. So I'm adding 28 plus 12. How much it is? 8, 2. Add it. 0, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. So now I have, if I add these two.
Ma'am, what if we first minus then plus?
That also you can do, but here if you do minus now, you will get a negative number because minus 33 is greater than 12. Okay. So better you do both plus first and then subtract. So 40 by 24 and minus 33 by 24. Okay. So what is the answer? 40 minus 33.
Ma'am, it is like board mass. 7 by 24.
Yes. So answer is 7 by
It is
24.
the simplest form.
It is in the simplest form and no
Ma'am,
mixed.
this is like board mass.
Yes, BODMAS. Okay. So if you are getting confused, just this is for practice. Mostly I'll give you 2 addition only. This is for your
Ma'am.
practice. I have given this. Now 6, 12 and 5.
Can you show the arranging one you said you'll show today?
Arrangement means sequence. Do 2 questions, just 2 questions of addition and then we'll do this thing. Do 6, 12 and 5 ka LCM. Give me what is it?
Ma'am, 2 3s are 6 and 2 6s are 12 and 5 will come as it is. Then we will take 3 1s are 3 3 2s are 6 and 5 will come as it is. Then we will take 5. Yeah, we can make L. 2 into 3 into
60. 2s are 10. And
60.
Correct, 60. So 6 into how many times?
6 into 10 is 60. So 3 into 10.
Correct.
And then 10 we will do 12 into what will do?
5.
12 into 5 will be 60. 10 into 5. Then minus we will 5 into what will be 60? 5 into 12 will be 60. So 2 into 12.
Okay. So what is your answer? 30 by 60 plus 50 by 60 and minus 12 2s are 24 by 60.
Ma'am, I did not understand how to do in this plus also and then minus.
First do both the plus. First do plus always. So 50 plus 30. No sign means it is plus. Okay. So 50 plus 30 is 80 and 80 minus 24. Your answer will be, what is it? Only numerator because denominator is same. So 80 minus 24 upon 60. What is the answer now?
56.
Ma'am, why will we do 80 minus 24?
Because when you add 50 and 30, it is 80. Here you have a plus sign, okay?
Yes.
So we will add first and then we
56
will
upon
subtract.
60.
So how much is the answer? 10 minus 4 is 6.
56
7 minus
upon 40.
60, na?
60.
Now do the lowest form.
Ma'am, can I say the next one?
Yes. Next one, you be ready with the LCM and all, okay? Do the lowest form. Who will do the lowest form? First number 2 say I will divide. 2,
Yes.
2
30.
2s are 4 and 2 6 are 12.
And
Sorry,
30.
2 8s are 16. Sorry. 2 8s are 16 and here 2 3s are 6, 0. Then again 2 say 2 15.
No, ma'am, it can go from 3, ma'am. 3 6 are 18 and
Later
3
we'll deal. Wait. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. 3 से नहीं जाएगा ऊपर वाला. Numerator doesn't go by 3. So your
It is
answer,
18 or 28.
so answer is 14 by 15. Okay. Okay, now, yeah. Tell me, Aisha. LCM 8, 3 and 4. What is the LCM?
We'll take 4.
Okay, chalo, we'll take 4.
4 2s are 8, and 3 will be as it is, and 4
Okay.
1s are 4.
So what is LCM?
LCM is 4 into 2 into 3.
It is 24.
24, yes.
Okay, now change the denominators down. 8 into
8 into 3 and 2 into 3.
okay, minus 3 into
3 into 8 and 1 into 8.
then 4 into
4 into 4 into
4 का टेबल बोलो. 4 into
4 6
4 5 are 24, 6 are 24.
okay. Now solve it. The numerator. Tell Aisha Kazi.
6 upon 24.
Yes. 2 into 3 6. 8 upon 24. And 36 upon.
Okay, now which two numbers I'll add first? Two positives are 36 and 6. Okay, so what is 36 plus 6? 42?
42.
Plus
42.
2.
42 by 24, and what is left? Minus 8 by 24.
36. 36.
36
35.
Ma'am, we have to first do the positive, then do the negative.
yes, then it will be easier for you. Now do the lowest form. Who will do 12 से सीधा divide कर सकते हो Ibrahim?
Yes, ma'am. 12 2s and 12 3s are 3 upon 2.
Correct.
Which will be one whole, one
Yes.
and upon
So
2.
this way, see, I was telling कि answer आया, then do the lowest form and then do the mixed fraction. Okay? Is it clear, everyone? Addition and all. So now moving
Yes.
to arrangement 1, increasing and descending order. Okay? Which is this
Yes,
one.
ma'am. Ma'am, explain me now. Ma'am, if we do minus first, our question will be, our answer will become wrong.
It will not become wrong, but you don't have a practice of, because negative में क्या होता है? First, if you do subtraction, you might get a negative number which you have not learned it yet. Okay, who is doing?
Ma'am, can you disable annotation?
I'm doing it.
Then, ma'am, if it is negative, like 2 minus 2 plus 10, so then first we'll do 2 plus 10.
Correct.
Okay, then we'll do minus.
Yeah, otherwise you will get confused because you have not done.
Ma'am, but ma'am, in the last question which we did, the first number which was there 6 upon 24, it didn't have any sign, so it will be positive.
Yes, no sign means positive. Okay, if anything is written like 6 minus 2, so that means 6 is positive and 2 is negative. Okay, okay, now doing one first. Again,
Ma'am, the upper one's answer was 17 by 12, na?
which answer?
The lowest form.
Which question you are talking, Yaya? I think we did 1 by 3. 1 by 2.
Ma'am, let's do the arranging.
Let us
Ma'am, let's do the arranging one now.
now this you have to arrange it. This is also comparison, but you have to arrange 4 fractions into increasing order. Okay, ascending order. So when 2 comparison will be there for 2 fraction, you will do cross multiply and see which one is greater and smaller. But when you have 4 fraction or 5 fraction and you have to arrange, your first step is make the denominator same. So how will you make the denominator same? By finding LCM. So find out the LCM of 3, 2, 4 and 5. Okay. So find out the LCM of
3 2 4 5.
So 3, 2, 4, comma, 5. So all of them you can start with 2 now because 2 के 2 हैं. So 2 ones are 2. Sorry, 3 रहेगा यहाँ पे. 2 twos are 4 and 5. All are prime numbers only. You don't have any other divisor. So your LCM is equal to 3 twos are 6. 3 into 2 into 2 into 5. What is it? 5 2s are 10 and 60. Am I correct? 60 is the LCM. Now arrange 2 by 3. 2 by 3 ko karo pehle. 2 by 3. 3 is how many times 60? 20 times.
20, ma'am. 20.
Okay. So next one is
2, 2 into what will be 60?
30. 2 into 30 is 60. Okay.
Yes.
You can divide and find it out.
And we will do 4.
4 into 60 कितने में आएगा? 4 ones are 4 and 4 15
पूरा सम किया हुआ है.
okay. 15 fours is 60. So ऊपर भी 15 हो गया. And the last one is how much? 4 by 5. So 4 by 5.
5 upon 10. 5 upon 20.
12 fives are 12 fives. 12 fives is 60. So पहला वाला हो गया 40. 40 by 60. Second वाला हो गया.
Ma'am, 30 by 60, 45 by 60, 48 by 60.
Yes, 45 by 60. And last वाला हो गया
Last wala.
by 60. Okay.
12.
Now arrange it into increasing order. Which one is smallest? 30 by 60?
30 by 60, 40 by 60, 45
40 by 60,
and
45 by 60, and 48 by 60.
हाँ, अभी इसको हमको क्या करना है? Actual लिखना है. 30 by 60 कौन सा था? Second number. So here it will be 1 by 2. Okay. 30 by 60. 40 by 60 कौन सा था? First number. So it is 2 by 3. Okay. Then we have 45 by 60. It was on third number only. So 3 by 4. And 48 by 60 last wala tha. So you have last wala last only. Is it clear? So like this you have to arrange. Do you want me to show it on the whiteboard? If it is not clear.
Oh, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I did not understand over here.
Okay. So note down this question. 1 by 6, 4 by 9, 5 by 12 and 1 by 3. Okay. Those who have understood, do this question. I am doing this question on whiteboard now.
Ma'am, can you write the question in the chat?
Ma'am, this one will come in exam.
This is also there. Na? I'm writing the question.
Ma'am, this is a big method.
This is the only method. We don't have any other method. Learn this method.
In the worksheet, you will get it in the computer.
No, you have to do it in your notebook. Click a picture and find it out. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Can we carry a rough
Yes,
page or
yes.
something?
Side mein only you can make a rough column and do. Okay.
Okay. Yes,
Always
ma'am.
better to use rough column. Okay. Next
Yes.
what? 4 by 9. And next is what? 4 by 9 ke baad 5 by 12 and 1 by 3. Now see those who have not understood. 1 by
What are 60?
3. What's the 60? 20s are. Okay, you divide and find it out, Aisha Aga. Okay, now this is the same method as we do in addition. Suppose तुमको सबको add करना है, then what we'll do the LCM ना. So same thing here also. I have to find LCM of all the numbers 6, 9, 12 and 3. First number क्या होगा? Ibrahim, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. 2. 2 3s are 6.
Okay, 2 3s are 6.
9 will come as it is. 2 6s are 12, and 3 will come as it is.
Okay.
Then we will take 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6, and 3 1s are 3. So
Okay.
LCM will be 2 into 3 into 3 into 2. So 2 into 3 will be 3 2s are 6. 6 into 3 will be 18. 18 into 2 will be 6 1 6 36. Yeah.
Tell me now. How will I make it 36?
6 6 are 36 and 1 into 6. Then we will do 9 9 18 27. 9 4s are 36. Then we will do 4 into 4. Then 12 3s are 36. Then we will do 5 into 3. Then 3 12s are, and then 1 into 12. Yes. So
Now
1 into 6, it will be 6 by 36. 16 by 36. 15 by 36.
Ma'am, 2 hours are 60.
12 by 36.
30 सा बोला तो
12 by 36. Now we will arrange.
okay.
So
Which one is smallest?
smallest is 6 by 36. So actually it is 1 by 6.
So later we'll do it later. पहले ये arrange करो, then next step we'll do. Okay. 6 by 36 के बाद
It will be 15 by 12 by 36. Then it will be 15 by 36. And then it will be 16 by 36.
now tell me 6 by 36 कौन सा है?
6 by 36 is 1 by 6.
Yes. Next one is 12 by
12 by 36 is 1 by 3.
yes. Next one is
Next one is 15 by 36. It is 4 by 9.
it is 5 by 12 ना 15 by 36 ये है
अच्छा 15
third number है
5 by 12. And then it will be 4 by 9.
yes. Now everyone, is it clear? This is your arranging in increasing order. Decreasing होगा तो bigger से smaller arrange करना है. Okay? Is it clear?
Ma'am, I want to ask something. First, when we find the LCM, after that, when we change the
Still here it is same as addition and subtraction.
Right.
And then you have to do ascending order.
like 6 by 30.
Ma'am, 4 words are 60.
12 fours are 4 12s are. See Aisha Aga, if you don't understand ना क्योंकि 4 words है तो 4 को divide कर लो 60 को divide कर लो 4 से and you will get it. Okay?
Ma'am, but 4 12s are 48.
Sorry, 15s are not 12s are. 15 fours are is 4 15s are. See, अगर नहीं आता है तो just divide and be sure with the answer. Okay? If you don't get the 4 words are 60 तो 60 को divide कर लो 4 से.
Thank you, ma'am. I understood the arranging.
Okay? Now,
Ma'am, I want to ask a question.
yes, tell me.
When we do the sums, you give us the sums, and when we do it, we have to show the method
Yes.
or
Yes,
no?
always show the method.
Ma'am, 3 15s are 45, right?
So don't always see. Agar fill in the blanks and everything is there, you don't
Ma'am, the LCM should be on the rough or the fair side.
on the rough side. Make a rough column and show the LCM. You can do it on the fair side also. It is fine. I want to see the LCM.
Thank you.
Okay, whether you are doing it correctly or not. Fine, everyone. So no.
Ma'am, I will do it in the fair side only.
Okay. Do you want me to send the worksheet that we were doing in the class? Don't send it to me on Google Classroom. If you have any doubt, you can
Yes, ma'am.
send the question. Otherwise, do it and practice at home. That is for your practice. Okay? Fine. Do you want me to send that sheet that we were doing now? Because all
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, send the arranging one.
submit it to me. Even it is fine.
Ma'am send all works.
So I'm sending you
And the arranging one also, especially.
everything. This whole sheet I am sending you. You can
Ma'am,
see.
we have to submit it or no?
You don't, if you want to ask question, get it checked, you can submit it. It's your wish. Okay, see, these questions were there. Some of them we have already done, some we have not done. The lowest form also we did only 4-5 question, and here equivalent fraction we have done. This addition we left 3 questions.
This will be the practice for the exam
Ma'am, give
only.
this and ma'am, give addition and subtraction.
Ma'am, this
one.
Ma'am, give the arranging.
this sheet
Ma'am,
we
give
have
the arranging one. Give the
Ma'am,
arranging.
this sheet
Arranging
we
one
have
and addition
Come
subtraction.
on.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So those who want to practice it, and if you want to get it checked, you can send it back to me. You can turn in. Okay.
Ma'am, I will send it to you so I get my mistakes.
And
ma'am, the last one we
worksheet, please submit it. Mohammadi, not
And specially give the arranging one.
Ma'am, addition and subtraction we have to do from least to big or big to small.
addition.
Accordingly.
You have to do plus first and then minus later. Okay. Addition you have to just add. Subtraction you have to subtract. That's all.
addition, like first we need to find the LCM for the denominator to be same in the addition one.
Ma'am, and for
And in the
comparing,
subtraction
Ma'am,
one
also-
also.
Yeah,
Subtraction also.
ma'am, for comparing, we have to do least to big.
comparing, if two fractions are there, you have to cross multiply. And in arranging, if in the question they have written least to big, arrange it least to big. If they are writing big to small, arrange it big to small. Is it clear? Whatever is,
The first one we did, we have to do that least to big.
yes, which we did in the class, it was least to big. It is called as ascending order or increasing order. Okay, is it clear?
Ma'am, board mass is bracket or division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, right?
I'm not giving that in fraction right now because we,
Yeah, told me, ma'am. He was teaching me.
yeah, so we are not doing multiplication and division, so we'll not use board mass. Okay, that's all. No doubts now. Even if you have doubt in the next week, ask on Google Classroom. Send me a message. You can send me a WhatsApp personal message also. Okay, if you face,
Ma'am, Thursday is maths exam.
yes, you have rights exam Thursday. What time is it? 10 a.m. So be on time. Huh?
Ma'am, what is the day?
Hmm?
What is the day?
Thursday. Today is Friday. Next
On the right group, the timetable is available.
Thursday 10 a.m. So everyone be ready at 10 a.m. because I would be sending you the question. Okay.
Ma'am, on Google Classroom you will send and then we will do on front of you, right?
Don't have my number. Everyone.
No, we do not have your number on WhatsApp. We
Ma'am,
have
I
on
have,
right
ma'am.
group.
Ma'am,
Can
I
you give
have.
your
I'm
number?
writing it over here.
Ma'am, I have your.
You have, but we do not have, ma'am.
We can make from the group. We can take from the group.
But ma'am is writing. Let's write.
If you want to write, you can write down. It is there on the group also.
1 minute, ma'am. Let me write.
Screenshot.
Ma'am, so many twos are there.
All are even numbers. See, 2 7, 2 3s, 2 8, and 4 2s. All even numbers are there.
Ma'am, awesome number.
Ah.
Ma'am, you have 4 twos. But 7 is an odd number.
No, but it is a number of quantities even na 2 7s, 2 3s, 2 8s, and
Yes.
2 2s. Okay. Done. Everyone has written.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Written.
Ma'am, I took the screenshot.
Okay. Chalo. So if you have any doubt, send me the question. Okay.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Bye and all the best. Do well. Practice well. Okay. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.